Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install Arena Breakout Infinite game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and click on the sign in option you will see on the top and just create the Steam account. This is very simple and easy. After you create the Steam account, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and then click on install Steam and download and install Steam on your PC. After that, open up the Steam, sign in your account, click on top search box and just type the game, which is Arena Breakout. You'll find this game on the top, so just open it up. Once the game page is open, just scroll down. You will see the option of add to library. Click on it. Now this is free game. You can simply download and install it for free. Click on OK. Go to your library of Steam. Click on search box, or you can manually find this game. Click on it, then click on install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, consider liking it, and thanks for watching.